Hi everyone, welcome to TYG Trading. Today I will talk about how to develop skill for trading while I'm waiting for momentum to enter my positions. I believe many have their own way. In the beginning, many will start by looking for a strategy. This is our common mistake. Instead of strategy, one has to build their discipline and skill to catch the market's momentum. Even when we know the strategy, when we don't have enough skill, the strategy will be useless when we implement on our chart. Usually my approach to teach how to trade will start by building discipline. The beginner will need to follow the simple instructions. Hitting a series of stop loss won't matter. It will be the cause to have discipline and mentality. For example, I can ask the beginner to trade a breakout. The principle is the person has to open a position every time she or he sees a breakout. This will teach the person how to keep consistent during trading. You have the plan, then just follow the plan. That's all. Some will get demotivated, while others will feel stressful looking at the stop losses they have gotten. When they give up, that means they are not fit in this area. Those experiences will be good. They will show us how dangerous the market actually is, especially when we trade without proper understanding. But after 1 or 2 weeks, our trading record will be analyzed to get a deeper understanding about how the markets work. We usually can see patterns. On what occasion the position led to profit and when they became losses. So, when we know the proper way to develop trading skills, it is actually quite straightforward. To have a deep understanding, sometimes I suggest the person trade on a different time frame. For example, this week, the person trade on 1 hour chart, next week on 4 hour chart, and so on. This will give enlightenment about how market works better. Yes, it will take times, but nothing is instant in this world except suicide. Next, when the data is enough, for example, we have trading record for 2 or 3 months. I will then suggest they learn about how to identify a trend. Trend can be detected by using different methods. I will again suggest them to pick a method that they like the most and stick to it. By implementing trend analysis, again, they have to analyze their trading record. It will mostly enlighten them on how to trade properly. The methodology is simple, but it takes time. We need consistency and proper guidelines about how to step the route, reaching the destination to be a good trader. Next, the beginner has to implement their skill again, trading the breakout after finding out the trend beforehand. With consistency and good mentality from the early phase, most beginners will be able to develop their skill. So I can say the key to be a successful trader lies in their discipline and mentality. Even when they have a good strategy, it will be useless. They will start to have doubts after hitting 1 or 2 stop losses, and they will start all over again looking for another strategy. This is very wrong. We need to refine our understanding over time. Trading is no secret. The real strategy is on how we can consistently follow a rule. We learn about how to enter the market and get profit from it. Profit is when the market moves. What is the most obvious movement in the market? Yes, it is breakout. BYG out. If you enjoy my contents, feel free to subscribe and a like will be very much appreciated as well. You may also leave questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer honestly.